Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your Apple Pencil is not working or not charging, then we are here with some troubleshoot steps to potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that your iPad is fully charged. Check the battery widget on your iPad to see the current charge of your Apple Pencil and iPad. Then simply restart your iPad. Restarting your iPad can sometimes resolve connection issues. Press and hold either the volume button and the top button until the power off slider appears. Then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off, then turn back on. Then simply forget and reconnect your Apple Pencil. If your Apple Pencil is not recognized, you may need to reset the Bluetooth connection as well. Then simply go to the settings, Bluetooth on your iPad and find your Apple Pencil under My Devices and tap the I icon, then tap the Forget Device, then reconnect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. Then clean the Apple Pencil and iPad. Dust and debris can interfere with the connection and charging of your Apple Pencil. Use a soft, slightly damp, lint-free cloth to charge the charging connectors on both the Apple Pencil and the iPad. Then simply inspect the Apple Pencil for physical damage. Look for any visible signs of damage such as cracks or breaks in the body of the Apple Pencil, bent or damaged connector, or loose or missing tip. So that's it guys. If none of the above step works, there may be hardware issue with the Apple Pencil or iPad. In this case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix most issues with your Apple Pencil not working or charging. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.